Welcome to Sandwiches of Dad. Today, a sandwich from my history. A sandwich I invented in my 20s called the French Duke, sometimes known as the softest sandwich in the world. First, in a good amount of butter, let's fry up an egg. Then take a small section of baguette or French bread, a good amount of butter on one side, a bit of mashed avocado or alligator pear, a little bit of salt and pepper. Then we're going to break our egg yolk on the top piece. All that nice yolk on there. Next, some brie cheese, a few healthy slices, and the rest of our warm egg on top of the cheese. Combine. All right, let's give our French Duke a go. It's good. It's soft, it's salty, it's creamy. You know what? I'm gonna get Barry to plus this up a bit for me. Barry, could you?
Oh, hey, Sandwich Dad. Yeah, totally. Pass it over. All right. See how it tastes first. That was good. Very soft, you're right. The egg yolk, the brie, and the avocado, that's a little rich. I am going to plus it up, though. Let's go. Tons of black pepper, duck bacon, tomato, and going to go a little wacky with some Grippo's Maui, sweet Maui onion potato chips that I'm reviewing over on In the Chips next week. Be sure to check that out. Okay, let's give this plussed up French Duke sandwich a go. The duck bacon bringing the smokiness, the black pepper bringing a little bit of a bite, the chips bringing texture and sweet onion, and then the sweet tomato in there. Oh man, I kind of feel like this was a 10 before and I just made it an 11. All right, well I'm going to finish that and get the defibrillator ready. Thanks a lot for the collab, Sandwich Dad. You're awesome. Go follow him. All right, see you next time.